Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Thursday, April 17th, 2025. Hope you're all doing well. All right, so again, we've had a great week with inside the WealthCharts live training room. Thanks for all you that have been continuing to pour in. It's been a phenomenal time. So today, a couple really good opportunities. As the 9:30 opens happens, I like to wait 10 minutes or so. And then we started looking here. This is crude on the 1 minute chart. And we started getting a buy zone in the direction of the champion cross here. Okay, and so you can see here we had multiple triggers, entry, just a really, really nice opportunity there. Again, right around a little after 10 o'clock here on crude. Then after the room was done, we were finished up today at 11 o'clock Eastern. You can see we got some more buy zone, which again, back in the overall direction of the trend with that champion cross. You can see really good opportunity here. Also going before noon from basically 10:30 to noon. A lot of folks were wondering, with it being option expiration day, what kind of moves would happen, but we just look for the setups, right? And if it's there, we have opportunities. Okay, another example here, folks, the second opportunity we took in the live training room this morning was the ES. And once we opened up, and we got a lot of back and forth. So we really exercised patience during this. When you have multiple time frames in disagreement, you have a buy zone, yet the champion cross is red, we know to stay away. What a phenomenal learning for a lot of students today. But when we got into the sell zone, folks, then we had the initial move, pullback, and these are my favorite opportunities here and here. This is the one we took together. It was just a really fun opportunity going back in the direction of the trend. And we also talked about this being the magnet to, a lot of you learned about the gap fill today. Okay, so some new techniques that I was teaching there with when you get a opportunity, a sell zone in the direction of the gap, early morning gap, that's always a fun play as well. So lots of great opportunities, lots of learning this week in the WealthCharts training room. Now, folks, because the markets are closed on Friday, okay, for Good Friday, I'm going to continue doing a training event. So tomorrow at 10 o'clock Eastern, I've got a lot of unfinished questions and answers for all of you to really make sure you're in the right place as we head into next week. So a lot of questions you've asked that maybe I haven't gotten to, bring them tomorrow at 10 o'clock Eastern. BecomeABetterTrader.com/yes. We'll get you registered. And again, we'll see you at 10 o'clock in the morning on Friday. Can't wait to see you. I got some great strategies to show you to continue to help you learn to achieve your goals. All right, folks, have a great day. Take care now. Bye.